Hey, Garfield. Hello! So, how do I start this? Let's make a syrup. Have absolutely no idea how, but I got some rhubarb. So I'm just gonna wing it after all. I think I'm gonna do a bit of research on Google. Okay, first thing, Tori, I don't know. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below. Ingredients. This is simple. 2 pounds of rhubarb. 2 pounds of rhubarb. I have no idea how much I have. 4 cups of water, 1 3/4 of cups of sugar. Instructions: rinse the rhubarb clean. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so we have our rhubarb, which 2 pounds of rhubarb. What does 2 pounds of rhubarb mean? How much is 2 pounds in grams? No, wait, I have units. Pounds. 1.2. So I'm gonna half the recipe. So, first step, rinse the rhubarb clean. Be right back. Okay. So, second step, remove the ends and chop the rhubarb into small pieces. Place the chopped rhubarb in a medium saucepan. Okay. Rhubarb is a fruit, right? Stay there. Okay. Chop the ends. Medium saucepan. A pot should do it. I don't have a saucepan. So, kind of stringy. Kind of green. Smells of... Well, doesn't smell sour. That's sure. Rhubarb is chopped. Step number 3. Cover with water and bring to a boil. Covering with water and bringing to a boil. It's boiling. Now what? We reduce to a medium simmer and let the rhubarb cook for 20 minutes. Okay. So I turn down the heat. It's gonna take a while for me. And we're gonna simmer it for 20 minutes. So, hey Google. So I just realized that I haven't clicked record on the camera. Anyway, not much has happened. So basically it's been boiled for 20 minutes and now we have to strain it through a fine mesh strainer. Hopefully this goes well. Should I pour it in directly? Ah, what the hell, why not? I don't see why not. Ah, it's hot. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it for like 5 minutes to do his thing, to strain. Meantime, let's see. Step 5. Once the rhubarb liquid has been strained, discard the rhubarb and add 1 3/4 of a cup of sugar in the rhubarb liquid. Now, I'm making half a recipe, so I have to figure out what the hell 3/4 of a cup is in grams. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so after some brainstorming, it means exactly 200 milliliters, which is almost a cup. Cups are annoying. Anyway, I have them here. Hi. Are you done? Right on. Okay. Sugar. Hopefully I have enough sugar. Let's see. Okay. A bit sweet, but you know, should be fine. Now, back to the stove. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Ha, 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 ha. That was hot. Okay, now I have to boil it for 5 minutes. Boil, not boil, just simmer it. So, 5 minutes have passed. Now, we turn off the heat and we let this come to room temperature. Currently here is 11:52 p.m. as you can see. So ice bath it is. Okay, so this has cooled enough so that we can try it out. But first we need to put it in a bottle. And find a bottle. Be right back. Okay, so I have a bottle, I have a funnel. I know the bottle might be overkill, but to be honest, it's the only one I could find right now, so this will do. Let's put it in a bottle. Hopefully it's gonna go well. Wow, I didn't spill any. I'm impressed with myself, to be honest. But our syrup is done. Let's try it out. I actually don't see any ratio for the syrup. So I don't know how much mix. So I don't know. Let's try like this and see where we're going. We need water. Everything is better with bubbles, so I love the color. That's an awesome color. Doesn't smell of anything. So, cheers. It's kind of weak, so it definitely needs more syrup. Maybe like this. It's good. I like it. I feel like it's missing something though. I don't know what. Maybe a bit of lemon? Let's try with a bit of lemon. I don't have any lemons, but I have some lemon juice, so this should do the trick. Let's try with a bit of lemon. Like this. Maybe more. Yeah, definitely lemon is the thing that's missing. You should definitely add the juice from one lemon in the whole thing and start from there. Definitely it makes a difference and it's way better with lemon. I would try it with mint too, to be honest, but I don't have mint now. So there you have it. It's actually, this recipe was really easy and it took like I think half an hour, start to finish. So it's really fast and really easy. And to be honest, if you're adding the lemon at the end, it's incredible. The lemon does the job. Hope you try it out. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.